Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friend. In the current week, we have seen that the Nifty has closed at a mark of 16,529 with a massive weekly gain of almost 291 points, or in terms of percentage, this was a gain of 1.79%. Now, here are the few observations for the current week for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty purely from technical perspective. In the current week, we have witnessed that the Nifty has made a fresh new lifetime high at a mark of 16,543 level and was able to manage sustain near the record high level, which shows strong positive sentiment prevailing in the market. On the weekly chart, the broader indices have formed a big bullish candle formation, which indicates that the bulls have strong grip over the market. On the daily chart, the Nifty has maintained its higher tops, higher bottom formation at all-time high level, which confirms strong bullish undertone of the market for the coming future. Daily momentum indicator is sustaining above the 60 mark, which shows that the broader indices is in the strong bullish grip of bulls. Talking about immediate support and resistance level, key support level for Nifty is placed at 16,146 and below that at 15,834. While major supply is placed at 16,937 and above it 17,324. Now, what could be the probable strategy to trade this type of market for the next week? Since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side, we recommend traders to go long only on any weakness in the market, and traders should buy with a strict stop loss of 16,146 for their all existing long position as well as the fresh new long position created in the next week. Talking about Bank Nifty now. On the weekly charts, the Bank Nifty has formed a higher top, higher bottom formation, and it has given a range breakout from the consolidation phase of 33,900 to 36,000. On the daily chart, Bank Nifty has managed to sustain above its 200-day simple moving average throughout the week, which indicates positive sentiment for this index, at least from the short to medium term perspective. Daily momentum indicators has sustained above its 60 mark, which shows strong positive momentum for the short to medium term. Key support level for Bank Nifty is placed at 35,531 and below that at 33,908, while major supply is placed at 36,497 and above that at 37,708. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader indices. First one is Reliance Industries Limited. One can go long at current market price, which is 2145 with a stop loss placing at 2080 for an upside potential of 2305. Another stocks which seems to be quite strong from technical perspective is Tata Motor DVR Limited. One can go long on minor dip around 140 with a stop loss placing at 133 for an upside target of 145. So friend, that's it for the current week. If you like our technical view as well as our stock pick, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we request you to follow us on Twitter as well as on Instagram. Thank you very much for joining us.